In this lecture, you will learn how to troubleshoot some of the problems that you may face in Pagespeed Technique 1. First, coming to W3 Total Cache. Some hosting providers restrict their users to install W3 Total Cache. In that case, search for cache and you may install WP Fastest Cache or WP Super Cache, or even you may try Lightspeed Cache. But make sure you only activate the cache feature or the caching feature in these plugins. You should not activate any feature that is related to minification of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, even image optimizations too. For example, this is the configuration page of WP Fastest Cache, and you can enable this cache system, but you shouldn't enable this minify HTML, minify CSS, or combine CSS, combine JS. You shouldn't enable these features alone. Apart from these, you can enable any of them. Coming to image optimization or this lazy load or Google Fonts, I advise you not to enable these two as we are using auto optimize and async.js plugin in our PageSpeed Technique 1 for these functions. Similarly, coming to Lightspeed Cache, you can enable options under these cache control settings and purge or excludes, but avoid using the functions under optimize tab like CSS minification, CSS combine, JS minification, etc. Similarly, avoid using the features under tuning tab or media tab and any other features that are related to static resources minification and image optimization. Coming to problems in image loading, that is, if images aren't loading on your website, then most probably the problem is with the lazy load. So in that case, go to Performance tab under Jetpack settings and disable this site accelerator feature. Then clear auto optimize cache and then purge all caches of total cache or any other cache plugin that you are using. Then reload your website and test whether images are working. If the images aren't loading still, then enable lazy loading under Jetpack and then deactivate A3 lazy load. So if images aren't loading on your website, the first thing that we are doing is to remove the free image CDN feature of Jetpack. And the second thing that we are doing is enabling the lazy load under Jetpack and disabling the A3 lazy load plugin. Coming to the third problem, if you have any sliders or JavaScript related functions on your website and if it isn't working, then I suggest you to open async JavaScript settings and then exclude jQuery. This will give a drop in your page speed score, but there is no other go. You are using some non-page speed optimized theme or plugins which is using jQuery plugin, and we couldn't load it asynchronously or defer it flawlessly without breaking the functions of JavaScript files on your website. So in that case, exclude jQuery and then save the settings. These are the three commonly faced problems with our page speed technique 1 and the corresponding solutions too.